Assalamu alaikum. How are you, friends? So today we discuss about the physical feature of Asia, Southeast and East Asia. Mountains are the important in Asia because they influence the population pattern, the movement of people, goods, and climate. And physical features, which means we are discuss about the rivers, the plains, the plateaus, deserts, and the mountains of the Asia. The most important mountains range in the Asia is the Himalaya mountains. The Himalayas separate India from China. Himalaya blow cloud that are formed by monsoon from entering the western China. The Himalaya isolate Tibet and make transportation difficult. So this is the map. These are the mountains. Some other mountains in Asia are Hindu Kush mountains, Eastern and Western Ghat in India, Tian mountains, Mount Fuji in China. Mount Fuji is the tallest mountain in Japan at about 12,388 feet. The mountain is located on island of Honshu and it considered sacred by Shintos. This is the Mount Fuji. Plateaus and uplands. Most of western China is on a plateau called the Plateau of Tibet. Farther north is the Mongolian Plateau. The Korean Peninsula and the Japan's islands are the mountainous. Rivers and the bodies of water. Many rivers in Asia start in Himalaya mountain. River erode away the mountains and carry sediment, little bit of dirt down to the flat plain at the base of the mountains. The sediment make the soil by rivers fertile and a good place for farm. Review. Erosion is caused by weathering is caused by moves rock and dirt, and weathering is caused by breaking down the rocks. Erosion is caused by water, river, rain, flood, ice, glacier, gravity, wind, whereas the weathering is caused by plant and water. River and bodies of water. The most important river of South Asia are Indus, Ganges and the Brahmaputras. Rivers and the bodies of water. The Ganges and Brahmaputra started in Himalaya and flow into the Bay of Bengal. Both rivers flow through Bangladesh, and as a result this country often flood during the monsoon season. So these are the river maps. This is the map, this is the delta. The Ganges deposit sediment on a flat area called the Indo-Gangetic Plain. This river is important to India because provide water for agriculture, provide water for factories and industries, provide water for human use. It is considered sacred by Hinduism. The Ganges Hindu built temple on the banks of the Ganges river. One city, Varanasi, is considered scared by Hindus and focal point of pilgrim. Hindus often pray in the water, and when they die, many are cremated and the ashes cast into the river. Varanasi on Ganges river. The Ganges river has become one of the most popular river in the world due to pesticide and fertilizer that spill into the river, chemical and metal from factories, raw sewage, human use. Rivers of China. China has three major rivers that begin in the China and flow into the eastern China Sea or Yellow Sea. Rivers Yellow River, Yangtze, Western River, Chinese name Hanghe, Chengjiang, Zi River. The river of China, the Yangtze and Yellow River flow through an area that is flat in elevation called North China Plain. This area has intensive farming and two rivers are connected by a grand canal. The type of dirt found here is called loess. It is a rich soil that is yellow in color and normally deposited by the wind. This is the Yellow River. The Amur River starts in Great Kingan Mountain in northern China and empty into the Sea of Japan. This river is also border between China and Russia. The longest river in Southeast Asia is Mekong River. This river starts in Himalaya and flows through China, Laos, Cambodia and Vietnam before emptying into the South China Sea. Asia is surrounded by bodies of water. One important body of water is Sea of Japan. It is located between the Korea and Peninsula and Japan. In Korea they refer to it as East Sea. The largest desert in this area is called Gobi Desert. The Gobi is formed by orographic precipitation. South Asia get rain from the monsoon, but Himalaya mountain block the rain from entering western China. Most of western China and Mongolia are in a rain shadow. Island. A group of islands called an archipelago. There are many archipelagos in Asia such as Japan, Philippines, Indonesia and Maldives. Japan is composed of Kyushu, Shikoku, Hokkaido, Honshu, the largest islands. Maldives are located off the west southwest coast of India in the Indian Ocean. There are over 1,200 small islands in the archipelago. The islands are atolls, tops of submerged volcanoes surrounded by coral reefs. This is the atoll. Some other islands in Asia are Hainan, Taiwan, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Hong Kong. Taiwan is the larger island off the coast of China. Taiwan used to be called Formosa by Portuguese. The Democratic Republic of China is a country that is an island. Some people just call the country Taiwan in order to avoid confusion. Singapore is an island at the tip of the Malay Peninsula. The country of Singapore is located on the island and it has become very wealthy because it is on strategic waterway, the Strait of Malacca. Hong Kong is an island off the coast of China. It is ruled by the British but not now. It is part of China. The natural hazards that are found in Asia are monsoon, typhoon, cyclone, volcano and earthquake. Monsoon is a seasonal wind that occurs in South and Southeast Asia during the summer season. Wind blows from the south-north. The wind pushes cloud over South and Southeast Asia causing rain. This is a monsoon map. The process. Typhoon or cyclones are typical storms that occur in Pacific Ocean. In northern hemisphere they rotate counterclockwise. In southern hemisphere they rotate clockwise. These storms cause enormous damage in coastal area and the countries with low elevations. Ring of Fire, part of Asia on the Ring of Fire, an area around Pacific Ocean where many tectonic plates meet. This area at great risk for having earthquake and active volcanoes. This is the map of Ring of Fire. Asia has varied climatic region because a zone of latitude, part of Asia is low latitude and a part of it in the middle of latitude. Elevation mountains region in the Asia have cooler climate. Topography mountain block rain because desert on one side. Part of Asia in low latitude otherwise known as tropics. These areas have tropical wet and dry climate. What countries are in this area? Southern part of India and Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines. Tropical wet climate zone always have tropical rainforests. One problem in many parts of Asia is deforestation. China, Korea, Japan, Taiwan and part of India are in the middle latitude. Many of these areas have humid tropical or humid continental climate. Most of western China is desert. This is western China. Most of northern Japan has humid continental climate. This climate zone can be found in main and new hemisphere. The winter are cold and snows. Part of Mongolia is a desert and part of it is covered by steppes. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoy the lecture. Please subscribe our channel, comment, share. On thoroughly we discuss major Physical features of Asia including mountains, rivers,